Okay, so we have a Dodge Caravan here. That is no start. We're going to figure it out why it's not starting. Alright, so we're inside the car. Key is here. So it seems like there's no power, so we're gonna go and give it a power. Okay, so we hooked up the battery. And we'll see. Alright, see if it starts. Oh, there's no power at all. Okay. This thing is dead. Okay, now we have power. Okay, freaking. Alright, let's see. Alright, there you go. Now it starts. Just the battery. So here is the problem. So I just took this apart. As you can see, lots of corrosion there. No contact because it's dirty. Right, rust. So, and this plug here, it's no longer original, and it's not flush there because there's a bump. When they just, what they do, they just replace it and just put it over there. Over time got corrosion, and now there's no contact to battery because the battery, believe it or not, it's brand new. Battery is brand new. You'll see these flickers, but you can see it's 1258. If I test it of the cold cranking arms, 938 cranking arms. Right, it says 938 cranking arms. This battery is brand new. So why it's not starting? There's no power at all because there's lost connection from the main wire to the battery. So what we're going to do now, I'm going to file this surface here because it's not flat, it's not 100% flat, and then I'm gonna make this also flat and file it the bottom and put it back. We'll see in a minute. Alright, so clean all the connector, this one here, especially the bottom. So I flatten the battery post here, and let's put it back. Okay, so this is now clean, as you can see, and also the negative. And let's see if it starts. Right, so now we have light. A while ago this was completely dead. So okay. Key in. Okay, that's a good sign. Now we have beeping. And start it. There you go. So that's what it is. Just a dirty connection. So if you learned something today, please consider to subscribe, like, all that, share good stuff, and so we can grow this channel and hopefully help more people. Thank you for watching.